name is Sonia and I am from Chandigarh. I am applying this F&B training program with your company, and I am interested in this program because I have been working in F&B department for quite some time, and I want to expand my knowledge in hospitality industry, and some more I want to understand the culture and work style in a foreign country. That's why I am applying this program into your company, and I want to train myself and to get some more knowledge, some more experience in my profile to in a foreign country. And I have done my industrial training in Singapore. It was a 6 months training, and in training time I have learned a lot of things about the hospitality industry, and I want to know that how we can make ourselves perfect in a hospitality industry. And there in my training time, I have worked in all of area in F&B, and I really want to explain this thing to you that it was an interesting time for me that I have finished my training there. And to tell you something about myself, I have passed my graduation in 2006, and after that I got married, and after my marriage I went to Singapore for my further study, and there I have completed my diploma in hospitality management, and I finished my industrial training as well there. And my husband is working in a private HDFC bank, and some more I have no kids till now, and I was married from last 5 years. And my hobbies are listening music and dancing also, and I love cooking also. And I'm truly appreciating this opportunity to introduce myself and to train myself to get some more knowledge and to work with your company. And thank you so much for your time and consideration. Thank you.